Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this traveler's notebook that I made for someone very special. This is going out in today's shipment, and I thought I would go ahead and do a quick flip through before it gets packaged and sent away. And so let's go ahead and do this. So first I want to apologize because it's not quite often that I get to do videos of everything that I send out, because simply, you get in the mode of packaging things and you don't want to have to stop, take a break so you can set up for a video. But I thought that this time I would go ahead and do a video for this traveler's notebooks before I package it, and the changes that I'm planning to make with my remainder traveler's notebooks that are in my shop and whatnot. So what I'm doing is, when I first started making my traveler's notebook, I was using a different elastic, and it turned out that elastic was not so it was not the type of quality that I usually go after. Okay, so this was wearing down quicker than I thought it would, so I'm in the process of changing those. And while changing those, this other lady wanted me to send her this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And what I'm doing with my remainder ones, I'm just swapping out, and I do have a better quality elastic that's I'm swapping these out with, except because the elastic is thin, I'm doing a 2-ply. As you can see, it is a 2-ply elastic. So this was going out today. It's so pretty. Now I used I think it's a Stamperia paper collection. Yes, it's a Stamperia wedding paper collection that I used in this traveler's notebook. And so, because that's what she wanted, and I went ahead and I made it for her. It does have a pocket. It's one that you can fit a credit card in, and so it comes with a pocket on the inside, and it is laminated, as you can see. And these are notebooks that I get either from Walmart or Dollar Tree, that I go ahead and I alter the tiny composition notebooks. And so the people that purchase these from me prefer it that way, because they do notes. And so what I did here was I just pretty much made it look pretty with washi tape. And when I do the washi tape, I use double-sided tape, because washi tape is so temporary. You don't want it falling apart on you when it gets to your customer or whoever you're trading with, right? So over here I went ahead and I also added a frame and a handmade bow with a flat back pearl, and I think it looks so pretty for the cover. And I didn't want to make it two-dimensional, because after all, it has to maintain as a functional piece, right? And so anyways, I also went ahead and I covered up the inside to make it look pretty. And this is what the back cover looks like. And this is what it looks like over here. And what I often do in my traveler's notebooks is a handmade envelope, in which it uses a Velcro enclosure, and I just add it up in there, for like coupons or whatever the customer wants it, And so over here we have a gold tone paper clip, and look at this charm. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I just love it. And so she gets a charm right along. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you, I also made bookmarks. Well, I made these bookmarks, and I got this idea from Dahlia. She is Mandalee Cards. Hi, Dahlia. And so, she had made a bunch of these ones using my paper collection, and I said, aha! It's like, I had one of those moments in which, those aha moments. And so what I did was I die cut the shape. I'm using the very same one because after seeing her video, I had to go get that die, right? And so anyways, I die cut the shape, and then I die cut the bigger shape and the bigger shape. This is after I laminated it. So here is the other notebook. And look at it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah, and we don't have any pockets on the back side. So, yeah, this is going out with a bunch of other stuff today. And so, yeah, I just thought that I would share this with you. And this is a pen that I made for her as well. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, and so, yeah, you will find both of these items, or an item like this and like this, in my Etsy and also in my website. And I'll leave you those links right down below in case you are interested. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon, okay? Bye, guys, and stay warm.